Hey guys, welcome back to a video. Today we're gonna be going to Ikea. My phone might die, so remember to subscribe, smash that like button, and subscribe to join the team. And well, so let's get right into this. Yeah. TV room. Better view. Would you like to order?
Gastas más porque
Mother. Oh my god, you didn't video that face. Sorry guys about that face. Oh! A bunk bed! A bathroom. That. A bunk bed, a girl bunk bed. Drawers. Look at this bunk bed. That. Even that. And the ladder. Dang, this is nice, man. And look at outside. Outside, it's full of snow.
149.
Ew! I just saw dirty socks. Dirty socks. Pewee. Ooh, see, does this actually work? Aw, that doesn't work. Does it? No. Oh, those are cool. Oh, look at the two flushing things. Mother's room. Mother's room. The same bed, chairs, and my phone might die on me. Table, that's a nice room. So is this one? This is the best, man.
What? This is that table again. I should like this. Side of your bed. You don't like it too big.
Look at that. Chloe from up there.